Hi guys, today I have the opportunity to show you around this stunning, unique 3-bedroom detached property situated on the popular Gore Avenue, overlooking the lovely Buile Hill Park. You'll see here just before we head in, this house has so much potential. We've got a really large driveway here to the front and to the rear. We've got large electric gates behind me, which you've just seen. So let's go inside and take a look. The property has been renovated in the past 12 years throughout, and more recently we've had the resin drive and the electric gates installed around 4 or 5 years ago. So as we come through the main door, we're greeted with this large welcoming entrance hallway. To the right is this stunning bay fronted lounge, so it's overlooking the park there. You can just see the view in the distance. And then we are greeted with this lovely and large kitchen diner, so really stunning, full integrated appliances in here. We've got a storage cupboard just to the left behind the main door there. I'll just let you have a view of this room, and then heading out of these large patio doors, we've got this absolutely stunning garden here. So as you can see, we're getting the sun this afternoon. It's not overlooked, it's really nice. Here used to be a garage, so it has been taken down, but you could add another just span here, so not overlooked at all. And again, we've got all of this side driveway here, even potential to extend the property should you want to. And again, lovely views of the park just over there. Okay, let's head in and take a look at the rest of the house then. So just another span of the kitchen from this angle. Really top spec high gloss kitchen in here, which is lovely. We've got a double oven and a built-in microwave just there. And then we'll head up where you'll find 3 double bedrooms and a large bathroom. Okay, so to the right as you come up is the master bedroom, overlooking, I'll just show you this gorgeous view out of the window just here. So off Buile Hill Park, you can see the electric gates just there. Really lovely and peaceful and quiet. And then I just span, you can see the large built-in wardrobes here. And then we have the second bedroom, so really lovely, bright and airy, again of a fantastic size. So you can see the really large wardrobes in here and still lots of space. We have the third double bedroom, which is currently being used as an office, but again you can see the size and will comfortably fit a double bed and wardrobes in here. And then we have the large modern 4-piece family bathroom suite. The property is available with no chain. If you would like a viewing, please give us a call on 0161 707 4900. Thank you for watching.